Hey guys, welcome to Two Guys and a Mouse, the show that gives you all the Disney news, tips, and tricks to get you the most out of your Disney vacation. I'm Lance, and today we are going to do a room and resort tour of the Beach Club Resort. And before we get too far into the video, if it's your first time here, I'd like to say thanks for stopping by. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing and turning notifications on so that you know whenever we release new content. Well, with all that out of the way, enjoy the room tour. Okay, so we are all checked in to the Beach Club Resort, so I'm headed to the room right now. And we're in a one-bedroom villa this time. Room number is 265, so we're on the second floor. And let's show you what it looks like. So when you walk in, there's a little foyer area here. And then there's a little breakfast nook with a little hidden Mickey. And you've got a kitchen. And then here's the living room area where you have a couch and some chairs. Nice large TV with a breakfast bar. Over here, we've got a patio balcony here that we could step out. That goes all the way across to the other bedroom. Nice little view of the walkway, not bad. Okay, so making our way through. This is the bathroom area. Stand-up shower. Sink. Toilet room. And then in this side, you have another bathroom as part of the main bedroom. Here's where the laundry area is. Oh no, no laundry. This is just a closet with an extra pillow and blanket. But you have a nice little soaker tub here, if you're into that sort of thing. Looks pretty nice. I think this is a refurbished room because I believe the older one bedrooms had a window that went into the main bedroom. And then here's your bed. The balcony is over here again. You've got a bed. With a hidden Mickey, yes. A nice large TV, so. Yeah, so that's the room. It's a one bedroom, like I said, at Beach Club Resort. So the kitchen over here has a stove, and you've got a sink, dishwasher, some glasses, and a full refrigerator. Oh, here we go, full refrigerator. So pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, guys, stick around. And we'll take you on a tour of the resort. Okay guys, so we're at Beach Club. We're all checked in. Now we're just gonna head to the pool, which is called Stormalong Bay. So we're gonna check it out. Now, when you stay at Beach Club, because this is one of the more popular pools, you have to have your magic band to scan into the pool because only resort guests are allowed to use this pool. So let's check it out. All right, here we are, Stormalong Bay. This is the main pool area. Now we just gotta find a place to set up shop. Grab beach towels.
Somebody wants to get in. I can still have you want to go over and like just deep end like over here then?
Well, I have to watch our stuff too. Okay, everybody, so we finished up at Stormalong Bay and we went back to the room, we got freshened up. Now we're on our way to Hollywood Studios because we're gonna get some dinner. I think we're gonna check out Rosie's All-American Cafe. And Rosie's has stuff like hot dogs and hamburgers. They even have a plant-based lobster roll that, between you and me, I think Alyssa's gonna give that one a try. But anyway, so we're on our way to the boat launch because that's the way you get to Hollywood Studios from the Beach and Yacht Club Resort. So we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. By the way, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and turning notifications on so that you know whenever we release new content. Also, if you like the video, please like and share it with your friends. It'll really help out the channel. All right, guys, on our way to the boat launch, so we'll see you there. God bless you. Papa. I have no idea if I'm in the frame or not, so here's to hoping and praying. Oh, this is what the zero entry pool that I was talking about right here, where it's all sand bottom. But we were on the other side of that lighthouse. But yeah, so we'll try it another day.
That's where I was.
Okay, so now we're in the yacht club part of the Yacht and Beach Club Resort. So two different resorts, but they do share a common pool, which is Stormalong Bay, and they also share transportation. So we're on our way to the boat launch, which is that away, and boat's just getting here. So if we hurry up, we might be able to catch it to Hollywood Studios. Look, it's a pirate ship. I think that's where they do the... Oh, that's the... I'm dumb. That pirate ship is the kiddie pool. I'm like, oh, it's a pirate ship. I wonder if they do like pirate ship cruises for the little kids. Nope. Kiddie pool.
They do, but not with that one.
Yeah, so that's the kiddie pool area over yonder. Big pirate ship.
Oliver was a big boy and went down the water slide.
Yep. So Nice crescent lake. Don't swim in it. And here comes the boat launch. Here's the boat launch. So, timing is perfect.
And that concludes the room and resort tour for Beach Club Resort. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with your friends. It really does help out the channel. Also, let us know if you'd like to see different content in the future or if you'd like to see more of the same, as it's you, the viewers, that really drive this channel. With that being said, we appreciate you coming to hang out with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.